Hello friends, in this video we will discuss a few best Google Chrome shortcut keys and you should use them in your routine browsing life whenever you are browsing something. So these shortcuts are very best and good for the speed and efficiency. So let's start with some navigation shortcuts. As you can see, this is one of my websites I am visiting. For instance, if I go to another page, now I am in the about page. So if I want to go back to the home page, what I will use Alt plus C back arrow, left arrow. So this will be here. And same you can use Alt plus right arrow, that will see for forward. So backward and forward, back or forward, you can use Alt plus back arrow and Alt plus forward arrow. Refresh, if you want to refresh your page, you can press F5, or you can also use Control plus R. Control plus R is also a keyboard shortcut key to refresh the page. And Control plus F5, this is also a keyboard shortcut key for refresh, and this actually gives you a new version of that web page. So these are some navigation shortkeys, and if you want to create a new tab, so some tab and Windows shortcut keys. So new tab you can create using Control plus T. As you can see, we have created a new tab here, and if you want to close this tab, so you can use Control plus W or Control plus F4 also we can use to shut the door on the tab that we have done actually. And if I create another tab, and if we open here like one of my another websites, so if we want to switch tab, like we are here, so we can use Control plus tab. Control plus tab button you can use to switch the tabs. And new window you can use Control plus N. So this will be create new window. And if you want to save the bookmark or this web page, so you can use Control plus D. So now you can add this as a bookmark. So whenever next time you will open the browser, this will appear under the bookmarks. See this one. Find in page, for instance, if you want to find in something in page, like I want to find professional tools text in this. So what I will use, Control plus F. Control plus F, and if I type here like professional tools, so see, this will redirect me to that specific text. So we can find anything, we can search anything using Control plus F. So these are some basic and advanced keyboard shortcut keys of Google Chrome browser. You can use them during browsing, and this will save your time, and your speed and efficiency will definitely increase. You can also share the video with your friends so they can also increase their professional skills in browsing, especially in Google Chrome keyboard shortcut keys. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much once again.